Hi children, how are you all? Hope you're safe at home. Yes. For you, come. Welcome to our English class. Today I am going to explain about the part what we left in our Pinocchio part 2. Pinocchio 2. So what happened to Pinocchio in that particular lesson? Actually, Geppetto searched for Pinocchio. He went, okay, on sea. Then what happened? He went on sea. Then he swallowed by a huge whale. Then here Pinocchio also searched for him, and all the creatures told him what happened in that particular moment. Then whenever he wanted to save Geppetto, he dived into the sea. Yes or no? Then what happened here? We'll continue. Are you ready? Yes. When they reached the seashore, Pinocchio dived into the waves and swam. What is mean by swam? It is a past tense of swim. So suddenly the water started moving under him. Then whenever he dived, that means he started to swim. And that water moving underwater, a monstrous black whale came out of the water and swallowed him up. That means, what is monstrous? Monstrous means ugly or terrible, frightened whale, black whale. That is ugly or terrible. So, here what happened? A monstrous black whale came out of the water and swallowed him. Swallowed means ate. So ate him up. He went on to shark whale's stomach. Down into the whale's stomach. Pinocchio swam. So like that, he swam into whose stomach? A monstrous black whale's stomach. There he saw a little boat. Who's that boat? Yes, you're right. That is Geppetto's boat. And on it was Geppetto. Who was there in there? Geppetto. Geppetto was overjoyed, really extremely happy. Overjoyed means extremely happy. Why did he feel happy? Because he saw that our Pinocchio, no, that's what. What is that? Extremely happy. So happy. Geppetto was overjoyed to see his son again, because his huge whale swallowed him. So he thought maybe he won't see again this small wooden toy, that is Pinocchio. But what happened here? He also swallowed by same whale. Then both met there. Then you came to see me, he said. Dear child, you came for me. Like this, he felt happy. But now we will both be here forever. Okay, whatever happened previous, leave that. But we both lived here only forever. Forever means lifelong. Forever in the sense lifelong. But Pinocchio had a brilliant idea. Here, what happened? Our Pinocchio had a brilliant idea. What is mean by brilliant here? Brilliant means clever. Brilliant means clever. Clever idea. He was clever toy here. So he got an idea. What is that? What was that? Come on, Papa. Papa means here father. Okay. You call your father like daddy, nana, like. So, come on, Papa. We have to build a fire. He said to his father Geppetto, come on, Papa. We build a fire. How like it is? Is it possible? See once. A fire in here? We can't do that. Geppetto explained to Pinocchio. Then, yes, we can, said Pinocchio. Don't worry, Papa. Yes, we can. We can do that. They collected all the wood they could find and lit a fire in the belly of the whale. Belly means stomach there, no? So here, stomach there. So this is belly. So they lit fire. The belly of the whale. Soon the whale started to feel really ill. What happened whenever they lit fire? Then what happened? Can I hear? Good. Yes. Ill. Ill means feeling unwell. Feeling unwell. So, whenever you lit fire in the belly of whale, then what happened? Whale got pain like that. That's what is not comfortable to that. So, then what happened? Finally, the whale started to feel really ill. Finally, it let out a huge sneeze. Achh! Like this. Sneeze in the sense, whenever whale was not feeling well, then what happened? Sneeze, a big sneeze. Huge means very large. Achh! Like that. Then Geppetto and Pinocchio shot out of the whale's mouth and landed on the shore. Then what happened? They escaped from that huge whale. They shot out in the sense they already came from the whale's stomach to land. That much a big sneeze. Whenever we are suffering from cold, how like you sneeze there? Same whale also here. Geppetto crawled to Pinocchio. Then whenever they came to here, that means they shot out there. Then Geppetto crawled because they came from whale's stomach, no? Like a big distance. So maybe like that. Whenever we fell down, how like you are fall down, then here also Geppetto fell down. He crawled. Crawled means move forward. Move forward. Forward means here what happened? Move forward means like this. Here they fell down, no? So like this, move forward to Pinocchio. Who was do like that? Here, Geppetto. Speak to me, son, he cried. Speak to me, son, speak. Speak to me, he cried. Pinocchio, Pinocchio, speak to me. Hey, what happened? Boy, what happened? He cried like that. But the little puppet lay lifeless. Lay in the sense like sleep. So, lay down. on the floor, no? So lay down. Lifeless. Lifeless in the sense dead. He was died. That's what lifeless. He lay down like that. Then what happened? He cried. But the little puppet lay lifeless and still not moving, not open his eyes. As his father lay weeping continuously, he was weeping. Who was? Geppetto. Weeping means crying. Get up, child, like Geppetto said and weeping. Like, get up, like that. A swirl of tiny lights appeared. At that moment, what happened? At that moment, swirl means like these lights are there, no? So, their lights come, blue lights come to here. A swirl of tiny lights appeared in this visible. Who saw that one? Geppetto. It was the blue-haired fairy. What fairy came in our first part? Here again she appeared. She tapped her wand and a shower of fairy dust rained down on the lifeless figure. Here Geppetto already lay down, that is fell down lifeless. So whenever here fairy with her wand, some lights, some dust, okay, fell on his, rained down on the lifeless figure. Slowly the wood started to glow. Then what happened? Here wooden puppet there, no, that puppet slowly moving. The joints of Pinocchio's knees and elbows became smooth like human being, not a wooden puppet. So here like a human being, very smooth. His painted hair became soft and his long wooden nose shrank until it was a sweet little button. So how like it changed? Like normal boy. So how like our nose there, a little button, nice, very nice, is there. Then he opened his eyes. Oh, here who was opened his eyes? Our little hero, that is Pinocchio. That was Pinocchio. So then he opened his eyes. I'm real, he said. I'm real. Softly, I'm real boy. Now I'm a real boy. Then here fairy talked to him. Yes, said the fairy. Yes, you are little boy. You did a good thing. You saved Geppetto. Yes, you rescued your father. That means rescued means saved from someone dangerous. Dangerous situation. So you saved Geppetto. That is a good thing for you. So you did a good thing. You rescued your father. You are now a real boy. Already I gave that wish to you, know. Whenever you did you can do good things to others, then you will become real boy. Yes or no? Now that wish became true. And Geppetto and his little boy and their friend, who was their friend? Cricket. The cricket lived happily ever after. And in the sense lifelong, then next life, whatever they have their next life, they lived happily with that cricket friend. What is that? What was the cricket? And who are those? Father and son. Who was the father? Geppetto. Who was the son? Our little Pinocchio. Is it clear now? So what is the message we have to take this from this lesson? Whenever we are doing good things, that willingness, that truth, okay, that wish behind us only. So whatever good things we have do that, then we'll get good deeds, good results for that. Are you like a little Pinocchio? Yes, very good. Coming to the comprehension 1, dear. So we have successfully completed that lesson. Now coming to comprehension 1. Are the statements true or false? Circle T or F. Dear one, everyone, you have to read this lesson more than 2 times. Then you can understand the content and context. And next you have to do this a small exercise. Pinocchio buried his money by himself. True or false? Did he? No. You have to know that. He attracted by someone's words. Yes or no? The puppet master sent Pinocchio to school. Next. Puppet master. What happened to puppet master? Actually, how like he behaved? Yes. Geppetto went out to look for Pinocchio. Yes. Pinocchio knew that Geppetto was inside a well. No. Pinocchio knew that Geppetto was inside a well. So, did he know or not? How like he went? Geppetto told Pinocchio to build a fire inside the well. Who said? Pinocchio said to Geppetto. Next exercise, children. Put the following sentences in the correct order from 1 to 6. 6 statements they gave. So you have to keep in box 1, 2, 3 like that. Which one is first one? The cricket opened the lock and set Pinocchio free. A whale swallowed Pinocchio up. The fairy came and turned Pinocchio into a real boy. Pinocchio went to the circus. The puppet master locked Pinocchio in a case. Pinocchio and Geppetto lit a fire and the whale sneezed. So these are the statements, means those are sentences. So you have to keep which one is first one, second one, third one. You have to arrange them. Arrange them in a 1 to 6. How many numbers you have? How many sentences are there here? 6. So give one number 1, 2, 3 like that in these boxes. Next, comprehension 2. Comprehension 1 questions are there. I'll give. And comprehension 2, imagine Pinocchio's journey down into the whale's stomach. Write a short paragraph about it. Paragraph means write about more than 2 sentences about that Pinocchio's journey. How like it's going go down into whale's stomach? No, that paragraph you can write. Was it dark? Was it cold? Was it noisy? Which one is correct one? You have to choose that one and write more than 3 sentences. 2 or 3 sentences. Next, how do you think Pinocchio feels now that he is a real boy? Now he became as a real boy now. So how did he feel? Imagine here as Pinocchio, then how he feel? You have to write about that. Is it clear? Hope you understand. This is about our lesson. So we have completed all lessons in this English textbook. We'll continue in next class whatever grammatical part is there in this. Thank you.